So this is how it's gonna go, okay?
Alright.
1, Florida cars are tall, and 2, they have really massive rims and tires. And 3, and 3, they are extremely loud.
Very loud. I was riding my bike earlier, and a car literally zoomed past me. I was riding on the sidewalk next to the main road, and my car goes zooming past me.
That actually sounded like a car flying by.
Yeah, I make okay car sounds. You should make it like a truck, do you know those cars called dunks?
Dunks?
Dunks. Yeah, that's kind of a Florida mobile.
What is that? It's a lawnmower? We could do a lawnmower.
Wait, go scroll back up.
There's
an actual lawnmower? There's a lawnmower.
I could already imagine this, driving to LS Customs with a lawnmower.
Driving in LS Customs with a lawnmower is crazy. What's wrong with her now?
Do you see this?
Yeah, I'm looking at a square.
Bus.
I'm looking at a Minecraft car.
Astroscape bus. Look at how short that bed is.
Dude, that would fit not even one suitcase. You cut off the rest.
Ford F-150.
Yeah, do that one. That's like the sports F-150, the Shelby. The Shelby trucks are cool.
Yeah, except they're like 150 grand, I think. V8. Of course, it don't work.
6.7 liters.
6.7 liter V8 motor. Jesus! Oh my god.
Wait, that's a nice engine sound.
That actually sounded like a Florida engine.
That actually sounded like a Mustang.
We just gotta put some hilarious wheels on this thing. Ooh, these.
Those are good, those are good.
Oh, yes. Ride height, like 150. Oh! 50. Oh my god.
That truck is crazy. Why are the wheels so skinny? No! Gotta make them wider.
Yes.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That is chef's kiss.
You gotta make the tires off-road tires, even though they're never touching dirt in their lives.
Never touching dirt. I have to. Yeah, I can reach 280 miles an hour. Off-road. Yes. Just gotta add these lights up top. We gotta paint the glass yellow.
Why yellow?
Because that's the off-road-ish.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Baja lights.
We gotta put some F-150 looking headlights on the front. These look like F-150 headlights, don't they?
Yeah. No, the other lights look bad. No, those lights actually look good.
Then we just gotta add the
Ford logo.
I mean the tailgate latch. Oh yeah, it's up at the top. I almost forgot. I think I have a Florida plate. Yes! Yes, I do. Yes, I do. This has only taken 20 minutes and we're almost finished with this. Who's spamming on Discord? Yeah. Stop spamming me on Discord! There's no running bars on these things, right? I'll take that silence as a no. What do we call this?
The Florida John.
The Florida John. The Florida John non-off-roader. I have guns? Huh? I have guns?
Why is there guns and knives on my screen? What is going on? You need to put a giant plane on top. Make it the whole
Oh! You're just driving along the highway, right?
You turn around and you see a giant fighter jet
You look to
flying
your
after
right,
you.
and you see a truck being followed by a fighter jet. I wouldn't be surprised. What if I just, like, quickly make an interior and then just call it a day?
Yeah.
I think the truck is finito. It's finished exporting. Alright, it's loaded in. Fire it up, Terry. Oh my god! Oh my...
Dude, the jet in the back is funny.
Look at the jet! Uh-oh. Fire it up, Terry. Speed. Turn right, you Floridian piece of crap, across the finish line. Well, we're dead. Nice knowing you. My controller doesn't like this.